Thank you very much for that question. Let me begin this way, that the National Identity Management Commission has several mandates outlined for it, and it's in the Act establishing the commission. And the issuance of the General Multipurpose Card is one of such mandates. The commission has struggled with that, I mean, over the years since it was set up, owing to paucity of funding, etc. And of course, we aimed very high, so it was more like a killer card, more or less, okay? And it didn't seem sustainable at the time.
Why do you call it a killer card?
Killer in the sense that it was well celebrated, maybe. You know, well celebrated card. It was an award-winning card internationally, and had features that simply were above the ordinary. Okay, at the time it was a 7-layer polycarbonate card, you know, and so on and so forth, all kinds of features, but certainly wasn't sustainable. And because of that, it suffered a huge setback. Now, fast forward to about 17 months ago when our amiable Director General Chief Executive came on board. She outlined 5 policy initiatives, okay, that she would love to focus on. And again, the issuance of the General Multipurpose Card, resuscitation and issuance of General Multipurpose Card was featured among the 5-point agenda of the Director General Chief Executive, including, of course, the use of a variation of it for government-to-people payment. Now, this is more like meeting the reality of the day halfway, if not more than halfway. Why do I say so? The government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, of course, also rolled out an 8-point initiative for the government. And if you look at it very critically, identity is at the crux of it. If we do not properly identify citizens and legal residents, it would also put some of those agenda in jeopardy. So we really had to step up our game to do the needful, and that is what has now bettered the General Multipurpose Card. We are resuscitating it with its G2P flavor, and so that's it. So the G2P flavor has, of course, come on stream, and we are beginning with an agency that has readied itself for that purpose. And this is an agency that has great underpinning with ensuring that farmers get their inputs, farmers get whatever support they possibly can get. And you know, this speaks a great deal also to Mr. President's 8-point initiative. So we are partnering with the Ministry of Agriculture on that, and what will be issued is the G2P card, which of course would be issued to farmers in that sector who have been who have come on stream, okay, and look ready to benefit from government initiatives. So
what does the G2P card mean?
Government to people.
Okay.
Is it different